think ever since I moved to Clarksville. I known her husband. He passed away on us a while back. He had a aneurysm someplace in his body. Had to go to his funeral. Then I had another friend. He passed away on us. He was in the veterans home, and he passed away on us. I gave a eulogy at his name was Cliff, and I had to give a eulogy at his funeral because I'd known him for a really long time, and the pastor let everybody have their say about Cliff. He's a really good man, and I miss him. Then I had another friend. He just died, I think, last year, actually. Okay, we're going down on Julie Drive again, and we're going to head all the way down. And then we're going to make a lot of turns around here. If I could, I'd mow my own yard, but my body's so cadapilated and weak, you know, I can't do it. I can't mow anymore. Not with a riding lawnmower. It's hard to go. Make those turns and stuff. It's okay, I can sit on and mow, but there's a lot of weed eating you gotta do. Okay, we're going back up on Jewel Drive. I never did ride a motorcycle. Never knew how to drive one. But you know what's so funny? I'm on this here tricycle, and what happens when I see the bikers, you know, coming past me on the opposite side, I put my hand out and down and give them the 2-finger indicator to keep both wheels on the ground. I found that out just this year. What that meant. I thought it was something like saying hi to each other. Boy, was I wrong. God sure blessed us with a lot of technology if we use it not in no bad way, you know. I'm gonna have to fix these brakes on this here tricycle too. I've been driving it so much and putting my hands on the brakes so much. They begin to wear out, especially the front one. The rear one's a disc. I don't think it's gone bad. I just might need to adjust it a little bit. Now we're coming back up on the drive again. We're gonna make I don't know, but I'll figure that out once I get up there. Then after this here ride, I'm gonna download all the stuff into my computer and see how it all looks and